Welcome to another edition of Question and Answer with a Criminal Defense Attorney. I'm Mark Solomon, a criminal defense attorney in Denver, Colorado, and today's question is about seized property by the police. So before we get started, don't forget, like this video if you're enjoying it, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell to be informed of new videos as I put them out pretty much every single weekday. So let's get to the question. The police seized my property, either a phone or a car, often it's a computer, and they're holding it, and you would like your property back, obviously. So the big issue turns on whether or not the thing seized is evidence or not. If it is evidence, they will hold it until the end of the case. So they're holding it so that if there's a trial, the police can present it to the district attorney, and the district attorney can show the evidence to the jury. If it is not evidence, then what we tend to do is either ask for it back from the police department, just go in and ask for it, and sometimes they'll give it to you, sometimes they won't. Other times we have to get it by court order. Sometimes if the thing seized is a gun, the police just don't want to let go of that for some reason or another. In fact, some extra precautions that they take when they're releasing a gun to somebody, they will always do a background check on the person who shows up to get the gun. And if that person is not the defendant, they're going to need some sort of bill of sale saying that this is the person who can pick up the gun. They're very cautious about that. If it's a child porn case, they tend not to ever release any of the electronics that they seized because they can't assure themselves that they're not releasing something with child porn on it. So little uniqueness when it comes to certain types of cases. But the basic principle is if it's evidence, they're going to hold it until the end of the case. If it's not evidence, they will probably release it or the judge will order its release. So that is the question and answer for today. If you would like your own question answered in a future video, email it to me at mark@solomonesq.com or tag me on Twitter. And as always, you have a right to remain silent if a police officer asks you anything about what you've done, said, where you've been, what you have. Your answer should be, I don't want to talk to you. And if they continue, your next statement should be something to the effect of, I want a lawyer, I want an attorney. And with that, have a good day.